Well, here we are. Lake number 5, Lake Ellsworth. Not sure what all we're going to catch on here. Don't know how much time I'm going to have. I mean, it's almost 8 p.m. now, so I'm going to get the boat loaded up. I got some things I want to show you, but I'm going to wait till I'm in the boat before I tell you. I think that was record amount of quickness getting set up. First time ever. Let's get on the water. First I gotta park my car. It's in the launch. Got a loon right out in front of us. Looking over my shoulder. Oh, I see the other one. Make it awake. All right, first opinion. This is a strong motor. I mean, you can hear it just torque into those 4th and 5th gears. All right, well, let's do some fishing. If I had more time, I'd fix this mess, but I don't. This is not going to be a trip that defines Lake Ellsworth. Today is August 22nd. I've been baiting bears for a week now. That's all I'm going to say about bear baiting, so those videos are coming up later this fall. But, so I've been working during the week, baiting every day, but I have unfinished business on some of these lakes. Don't go too far sideways, you'll tip the boat over. Maybe I can turn it this way. X-Red, deep, hot steel. Let's see what's in the depths of this lake. Just going back upwind. It's a gnarly headwind right now. So this is a Newport NV series 55-pound thrust with a 30-inch shaft. Supposedly perfect for kayaks and canoes. Right now it's doing amazing. Someone's shooting off fireworks. Right now it's doing amazing in this headwind. I don't know if you can see that or not. I just broke my swivel. Snipper's not in where they're supposed to be. I misplaced them last time I was out on the water. Not good. So, the main mod that I'm doing, pick me up, is I built this motor mount. It's made out of cherry wood. Put a thwart or a crossbow. Made out of cherry as well. So bought that. Bought this 12-volt lithium-ion battery a couple months ago. It is going to work on my boat here, trolling motor I should say. Alright, I at least got one rod in the water. Okay. At least we're fishing. Got one rod in. And this is a deep diver. I've got the drag set right, so if something big takes it, it's going to strip drag or strip line. Sorry, I'm so flustered right now. I've got so much going on. So my apologies if I sound rushed. I just know we don't have a whole lot of time left, and I don't have bow lights or stern light. But so some of the mods I wanted to do, I got this done. I got a carrying a little basket made out of wood for the battery, so that's not sitting right down on the floor of the boat because I know it gets water. One of the other things that's really cool that I didn't bring with me tonight because I knew I wouldn't have time, plus it's not completely finished, is I have a live well that I'm putting right up behind you in the canoe that'll dual purpose, act as a counterweight for when I'm fishing alone. When Chris is with me, she still has leg room up there, and it's going to double as a place to put fish to keep them alive. But also the top of it, I'm going to put like a bump board, so Chris has a place to lay the fish and measure them. instead of handing it back to me. Yeah. I didn't, during the car, I didn't bring it because I knew I wouldn't be out fishing very late tonight, but the other thing that I want to do to this canoe is I want to make it an anchor system. I don't think I'll take this on portaging, canoeing rivers anymore. It's a heavy canoe, but maybe I will. I don't know. If I'm going downriver, maybe I will if I don't have to do a whole lot of portages, because this isn't that heavy of a canoe. Thought I had a bite. I left my batteries up in the car. I was in such a hurry to get down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this off, and if I get a fish on, I'll turn it back on. Well, I put the fishing rod away. I wanted to just play around with this motor. This thing's pretty powerful. Seriously, I'm making it wake. This is as fast as it goes, and I'm moving like really well. See that? This motor's got some serious power to it. Alright, I'm going to say that I was on Ellsworth Lake, but I didn't really fish, so I can't mark this down as one of my lakes fished. I wanted to give the boat motor a try. I also wish I had the live well ready. Just didn't have the time tonight. I mean, that sun dropped fast by the time I got here, so I'm going to call it a successful evening testing out the boat motor. There's a couple things I need to do. I don't like this battery sitting literally right behind me, so I might change that up. But anyways, I'm going to call it a night, and I'll see you later. Again, this is Matt with M32 Outdoor with Trees, wildlife, outdoorsman, in this case, Lake Ellsworth and the new Newport Motor Meeting. See you on the next one.